You're trying to add up a column in Google Sheets. I'm going to show you how to do that and a really interesting trick in this video. So one really fun thing to know is if I select like the A column, over here on the right side on the bottom is a little Explore area. It shows me the sum, which is the entire column added up, average, minimum, maximum, how many there are, how many numbers there are. If I want to see the sum of this in the sheet, I can do equals sum, and I can select the A column by saying A:A. Now that's going to include the January A1, but that's fine. This is the right number. If I do not want to include the header row or this first row, what I can do after the A is add A2. So it's A2:A, and this is a range that signifies everything from A2 all the way to the end of A, and I'm going to get that sum. I can copy and paste this to the right, and it'll automatically update the range from A to B. So this is now the sum of the February column. Let me show you one more trick, because sometimes what we'll do is we'll insert a row above, and we'll go equals sum A:A, and we'll get a reference error. One simple way we can solve this is by just saying A3:A, and we can get the entire sum again. Same sum over here, but we've just moved it above. But let me show you something really cool not many people know and not many people will do. So we're going to take this formula, sum, we're going to cut it. We're going to actually delete this whole row. And in the January, where it says January, we're going to change this to a formula, and it's going to equal concat. And we're going to put January in quotes with actually at the end a comma and a hyphen, and then a comma. And then we're going to paste this sum here. But if you notice, we do this and we get the actual sum here. We can start deleting. It's automatic. It's going to be adding up, but it doesn't have dollars. This is great if you're just doing numbers. You're just adding up numbers. Actually, we need to change this to A2. We can also change this text format by just wrapping it with text and format and putting in dollars. And we need to do a couple hashtags there. And there you go. Now we can change this to February. And now we have the sum inside the header. And again, it's automatic and it's really cool. This is a really cool pro trick that makes your sheets so awesome. And if you're looking to get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before, consider subscribing here on YouTube to Better Sheets, or become a member over at bettersheets.co. Get hundreds of tutorials, dozens of courses. Go check that out at bettersheets.co.